Welcome everyone, and Binance has again come up with the 1000 PEPE tokens daily offer. So before I can proceed with the details and show you how you can go about it, I would kindly request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. And there is also a link to Telegram. You can join that for updates. Now, what you need to do exactly to claim the tokens is you must have received an email or alert in your desktop notification. Now, one thing I would like to clear that this is not available for all users. This is applicable for only those users who have received this notification. Unfortunately, I have received this just yesterday. This particular thing has been going on for the last I think close to around 20 odd days or a fortnight. So total you can earn up to 40,000 PEPE coins by logging in every day, and it takes 48 hours to process your reward. So let's say you have logged in today and claimed your token. After 2 days your rewards will be processed. So the terms, if we see over here, the activity started from May 23rd. I got the alert just yesterday, so I missed on collecting these tokens, but we still have 15 more days, so it ends until June 30th. So what you need to do is you need to first log in into your account by clicking this link and then click on join campaign. So you see you have successfully joined over here. So now the mission is what? You claim 1000 PEPE tokens daily. Simply log in every day to earn 40,000. How is this 40,000? It's meant for 40 days. So reward is 1000 PEPE per day, and rewards available. So these rewards are on a first come first serve basis. Refreshes at midnight UTC. So let's click on start. So you see I have got this particular pop-up over here. So claim 1000 PEPE tokens daily. Congratulations, you have completed the claim. Click claim to receive the reward. So once you do this, you need to go ahead and click on the claim. So this will be now going in, and you see over here a counter has started, countdown. So now it's going to take around 19 hours, that's until midnight, for this particular counter to reset, so I can log in again for the next claim over here. So if you want to see where it is, you can see over here reward section. So when you go to your reward section, you see that reward will be distributed in 42 hours. So you can go to your rewards hub, which right now is not available because 48 hours are not there. So there you will see 1000 tokens. So you'll need to claim them again. Select that and voucher, and you will see that credited into your reward section. So then let's go and sign up the finer terms over here. Eligibility: the offer is valid for all eligible verified users who receive specific communication. So this is not unfortunately available for all users over here. Daily reward: each user can claim exactly 1000. So you see 1000 we have already claimed for up to 40 days after logging in. So it's very easy, it's on the platter. You just need to log in every day and just ensure that you claim your 1000 PEPE tokens for the day. So mission refreshes daily at midnight UTC. So total rewards 40 days, 40,000. A reward pool participant will qualify on first come first serve basis. So make sure the first thing you probably do is you log in and claim your tokens. So it shouldn't happen that there are other people who have claimed the rewards and unfortunately you are the last person to join. The distribution will happen in 48 hours as you have seen. Now the most important is voucher validity. The validity period for PEPE token vouchers is 30 days after distribution. Eligible users must claim their vouchers before the expiration date. So when you click on this particular claim, and it will come in your reward section as a voucher. So let's say what you have claimed today, 15th June, you need to ensure that that reward you redeem that voucher before 15th of July, otherwise those particular tokens will lapse. So I hope you like this particular video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts you can always comment in the comment section. Until next video, take care.